Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: x power 2 minus x power 3 equal to 12. Now moving this 12 left hand side, so x power 2 minus x power 3 minus 12 equal to 0. Now this 12 can be written as 8 plus 4. So x power 2 minus x power 3 plus 8 plus 4 equal to 0. Multiplying this minus here, so x power 2 minus x power 3 minus 8 minus 4 equal to 0. Now x power 2 minus x power 3, this 8 can be written as 2 power 3, this 4 can be written as 2 power 2 equal to 0. Now x power 2 minus 2 power 2, x power 3 minus 2 power 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to take this minus common out. So x power 2 minus 2 power 2 minus x power 3 plus 2 power 3 equal to 0. Here we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. This algebra formula we are going to apply here. So here a power 3 plus b power 3 equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. This we are going to apply here. So x minus 2, x plus 2, this minus x plus 2, x square plus 2 square minus 2x equal to 0. We are going to take this x plus 2x plus 2 common out. So x plus 2 open bracket, x minus 2, this one is minus x square plus this is 2 power 2 is 4 minus plus 2x equal to 0. Now x plus 2, here 3x, this is minus 6 minus x power 2 equal to 0. Now we have x plus 2 minus x square plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we have two equations. One is x plus 2 equal to 0. Other one is minus x square plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. From this equation, x equal to minus 2. Here divide by minus 1. So we'll get x square minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. So in this equation we are going to apply quadratic equation. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 6. So here is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now x equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of a minus 3 square minus 4 times of 1 times of c here is 6 by 2 times of 1. Now x equal to minus into minus is plus 3 plus or minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 6 is 24 in square root by 2 times 1 is 2. Now we have x equal to 3 plus or minus, this is in square root of minus 15 by 2. Now this can be written as x equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15 times minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15 times square root of minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15. This is square root of minus 1 is I by 2. Now we have x equal to minus 2. From this x equal to 3 plus square root of 15i by 2 comma 3 minus square root of 15i by 2. These are the possible answer for x. Thanks for watching this video.